My name's Dylan McCloud and I studied a postgrad diploma in professional practice. Well, one of the things that drew me to doing the course was I never went to university, so the academic world was completely new to me. So I enrolled on this course with the help of my former employers, and it's impacted hugely on me. It's definitely been one of the things that's enabled me to progress. I'm now in a different job, so yeah, it's been invaluable. It's been brilliant. Yeah. One of the elements of professional practice is a study of leadership and management, and it deals with things like personality archetypes and things like that. And I was in a management position at the time, and on reflection and on critique of a lot of the material I was reading and the things I was learning, decided I was not management material. So yeah, it gave me a nudge to do something else, which has worked out amazingly. It's been great. Yeah, it's quite difficult to balance the study, home life, raising my daughter. So there were times I thought I'd bitten off more than I could chew, but those times were outweighed by the sense of satisfaction and progression that you get whilst you're actually in the thick of it. So it's been very rewarding, yeah.